So number 7 says the main purpose of the first paragraph is to blank. So this tips us off that this is a purpose question, and purpose questions are kind of like why questions. So you're not considering what happened, you're answering the question why is it there. And with those, you want to be the author. Be the author. So if you were the author, why would you write about this? Okay, so just to recap the passage, sorry, one more thing. You need to consider main idea here. So when you're doing purpose questions, always consider the main idea. Don't think of a paragraph in isolation. So the main idea of this story was Akira asking for Naomi's hand in marriage, right? Asking for the blessing of the mom. So this is the main idea. And let's look at the first paragraph. So it says, Akira came directly, breaking all tradition. Was that it? Had he followed form? Had he asked his mother to speak to his father, to approach a go-between? Would she have been more receptive? And then if you look at the next paragraphs, he came on a winter's eve. So this is actually kind of like a flashback. So he's kind of looking back on the events that the passage is going to go talk about. So he's kind of questioning himself. Did I do it right? Should I have done this? Should I have just listened to what we're supposed to do? So really, it's not describing a culture because it's more about Akira himself. Remember, this is a narrative. It's not like a piece that's trying to explain Japanese culture. It's really a narrative story. It's not criticizing a tradition for the same reason. We're not talking about how that's a bad idea. And he's not questioning a suggestion. This is not a suggestion. This is him looking back. So really, it's his reaction. So it's to analyze his reaction, to see how he felt that asking for the blessing went. So our answer here is going to be letter choice D.